Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to post GIF on Threads app. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that we have to do in order to post GIFs is to open our App Store or the Google Play Store. Then search for the GIF keyboard. I will use this one application right here. This will give me access to a keyboard that is full of little GIF. When you install it on your device, we have to go to our settings and add this new keyboard to our other keyboards. So find your keyboard option on Android and add the keyboard. But if you are on iPhone, then open your settings and go to the general section. Then open the keyboards at the top and simply add a new keyboard by clicking here. Now when we open Threads and try to add a GIF as a reply or comment, it says that we have to give the keyboard full access. So tap on this, then go to Settings. Open the keyboard section and enable this to give this new keyboard full access. Now when we open Threads, we will be able to post GIFs on any thread we want. It will take a few seconds to load GIFs. There is a variety of GIFs. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.